So here I'm going to look at just a porphyritic rock. And a porphyritic rock implies that the two stages of cooling took place. And I want you to see this. If I look at this rock and I see that there's obviously large and small crystals here, it tells me that, well, the rules still apply, that the coarse crystals form at depth within the Earth's surface. So the coarse crystals had to begin forming and crystallizing first. They grow large. They have time, right? The greater the amount of time, the larger the size. In this case, we're looking at they continue to grow, they continue to mature. But then something happens that makes them mobile. And when I say mobile, it just means that they move upwards. They move up to this conduit, and they reach the Earth's surface. So the first stage of a porphyritic rock, is that you have to get these large crystals, coarse crystals. And that happens inside the Earth. They move. They then reach the Earth's surface, and they cool very, very quickly. And I get it entrapped or entombed in what we call a fine crystal matrix. And so when I look at this rock here, I see that there are dark minerals that are large and within almost a lighter kind of surrounding matrix. And these large crystals are what I would call my phenocrysts. That the phenocrysts show me that they are, let's just say, mafic, right? They're dark in color. So if I look at my rock identification key here, I see that I have this rock here. It's an andesite. That these minerals that have formed here are going to be my amphiboles. My amphiboles here are the dominant minerals here in the andesite, and the porphyritic phenocrysts are going to be these larger crystals that are of amphibole. Once again, I'm using my igneous rock identification key to make sense of that. Hopefully that makes sense.